With a vision to uplift and spread awareness on the importance of handloom and textile, Handloom and Textile Department observed its 8th National Handloom Day at Hamren on 7th August. The Swadesi movement was a self-sufficiency movement that was part of the Indian independence movement and contributed to the development of Indian nationalism. It was formally started from Town Hall, Calcutta on 7th August 1905 to curb foreign goods by relying on domestic production. Seeing the beautiful productions from Handloom and Textile Department to preserve and encourage handlooms, Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India, declared 7th August as the National Handloom Day on 7th August 2015. From that year onwards, nationwide National Handloom Day is observed. Likewise, it was also observed at Hamren, West Karbi Anglong with the theme My Handloom, My Pride this year. Mensing Bey, Superintendent of Handloom and Textile Department Hamren, while speaking to us, informed that handloom is one of the sources to be self-reliant irrespective of their gender. It focuses in uplifting the socio-economic lifestyle. Handloom aims to preserve the traditional dresses of indigenous culture and identity of various communities.
So handloom katalon pon alam segera pulon je sualo tumdet pulamenlo so pintu mane ki pir ketha tumdu bote latomunda socio economic paching kurja phat lapen itum la handloom leka itu amar itu Methang culture by Methang tradition dress do lahai si reserve so si mutek dunia phang.
Biren Tiso, Chairman Hamren Municipal Board, attended as a guest at the event. Monu Mohan Das, Arup Kumar Bhattacharjee, Deputy Officers, Handloom and Textile, briefed about the importance of handloom and textile in today's time. Daniel in his report from Hamren, Karbi Anglong Live.